On a bright, sunny day, Rabbit hops through a dense forest, their eyes wide with curiosity. Suddenly, they discover a hidden path, draped with vines. The air is thick with adventure as they step forward, eager to see where the path leads. Standing before an ancient gate, Rabbit is entranced by the mysterious symbols carved into its surface. As the gate creaks open, a hidden magical garden lies beyond, waiting to be explored. The garden, once filled with vibrant flowers, now appears dull and lifeless. A soft, overcast sky looms overhead, and a strange, enchanting aura fills the air as Rabbit steps cautiously inside. Rabbit approaches a wilting flower, their heart heavy with concern. The once beautiful petals are now dull and lifeless, and Rabbit wonders what could have caused such a sorrowful change. A soft flutter of wings draws Rabbit's attention. A glowing butterfly lands nearby and speaks, its wings shimmering in the faint light. Rabbit listens intently, sensing the butterfly carries an important message. The wilting flowers speak to Rabbit, sharing their sorrow. With a soft, magical glow, they reveal the secret of the garden's loss. Its colors have faded away, leaving only memories of their former brilliance. Rabbit, determined to restore the garden's beauty, promises the flowers that they will find the rainbow and bring back the vibrant colors that once filled the garden. In the heart of the garden, Rabbit meets the flower keeper, an old, wise turtle with a calm, gentle presence. The flower keeper offers guidance, revealing that only a pure heart can restore the garden's colors. The flower keeper shares the legend of the rainbow and its powerful connection to the garden. Rabbit listens intently, understanding that their journey has only just begun. With newfound resolve, Rabbit accepts the challenge. Their heart brimming with hope, they set off with determination, ready to restore the garden to its former glory. Rabbit's journey leads them into a misty forest, where the towering trees seem to whisper secrets of the past. The air is thick with magic, and Rabbit's every step is filled with anticipation. Along the way, Rabbit meets a lively squirrel who offers a map to the sky's summit, where the rainbow is said to reside. The forest is full of wonder, and Rabbit is excited to continue their journey. At a rushing stream, Rabbit faces a new challenge. The water sparkles in the sunlight, but without a bridge, crossing seems impossible. What should Rabbit do? Thinking quickly, Rabbit gathers sticks and branches to build a makeshift bridge. Their paws work carefully, ensuring that every piece is placed just right to create a safe path across. With the bridge complete, Rabbit crosses the stream, only to encounter a majestic bird blocking their way. The bird's presence is imposing, but Rabbit is ready to face whatever challenges lie ahead. The bird, with glowing eyes, presents Rabbit with a riddle. The air is thick with tension as Rabbit listens carefully, knowing that solving this riddle is the key to continuing their journey. Rabbit's sharp mind solves the riddle, and the bird nods approvingly, allowing Rabbit to pass. A sense of relief washes over them as they continue on their path. Rabbit climbs a steep, rocky hill, the wind howling around them. The climb is difficult, but Rabbit's determination keeps them moving forward, driven by the goal of finding the rainbow. At the summit, Rabbit gazes upon a glowing fruit hanging from a tree. The fruit pulses with light, revealing a magical map that will guide Rabbit to the next stage of their journey. Rabbit holds the glowing fruit tightly, their hearts set on the path ahead. With the map in hand, they are more determined than ever to reach the sky's summit and restore the garden's colors. As night falls, Rabbit travels deeper into the forest, the map glowing softly in the darkness. The moon is hidden behind clouds, leaving only the map to light the way. As night falls, Rabbit travels deeper into the forest, the map glowing softly in the darkness. The moon is hidden behind clouds, leaving only the map to light the way. Suddenly, Rabbit hears footsteps behind them. Turning around, they find a shadowy figure with glowing eyes, the fox, blocking the way. What does this mysterious creature want? The fox warns Rabbit to leave the path, their voice low and wise. Rabbit stands tall, ready to face whatever challenge this fox has in store. With a sly smile, the fox steps aside, acknowledging Rabbit's courage. The danger has passed, and Rabbit continues on, grateful for the fox's respect. Caught in a fierce storm, Rabbit seeks shelter beneath a giant mushroom. The wind howls and rain pours down in heavy sheets, but Rabbit remains hopeful, knowing that the storm will pass. Sitting under the mushroom, Rabbit watches the storm subside. Their fur is damp and their eyes tired, but there is a spark of hope that refuses to go out. As the storm clears, Rabbit sees a glowing light in the distance. Renewed by the sight, they know that the journey is far from over. With new strength, Rabbit continues on their way. Reaching the edge of a vast canyon, Rabbit gazes across to see the sky's summit on the other side. The canyon is wide, and the path ahead seems almost impossible. Out of nowhere, a bridge of mist appears across the canyon. The ethereal glow beckons Rabbit to step forward, and with awe in their eyes, they take the first step onto the bridge, ready for whatever lies beyond.